Hello there, friends. I'm going to read Four Seasons Make a Year, written by Anne Rockwell and pictures by Megan Halsey. Let's find out what happens when 4 seasons make a year. A year has 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. March 21st is the first day of spring. Wind blows and birds sing. Daffodils and crocuses pop up through melting snow to bloom in the dark, wet earth. Leaves sprout on trees. It's time to plow the fields. So here they are on the farm starting to plow the fields in spring. Spring showers come. The pear tree we planted by the porch is covered with white blossoms. A robin sings as it hunts for worms in the ground. It's time to plant corn and squash seeds in the field. I plant 1 sunflower seed by the back door. So here, she's planting 1 sunflower seed by the back door. Breezes blow blossoms from the pear tree into the sky. Birds sing as they build nests. Every day the air gets warmer. The earth gets warmer too. And there's her sunflower seed over there in the warm earth. Do we see any changes happening in the field? Look for them as we read the story. June 21st is the first day of summer. Green sprouts spring up from the field. My sunflower seed sprouts green leaves too. There's the little sunflower seed by the back door. Soon all the trees are covered with leaves. Roses bloom. Bees buzz and butterflies flutter among the flowers. The pear tree's empty blossoms turn to tiny green pears. The flower bed in the front yard burst into bloom. Zinnias, sweet peas, lilies, cosmos, and black-eyed Susans. The fields have stalks of corn with vines of green pumpkins and squash. On hot summer days, I swim in the pond down the road. So all the flowers are blooming, the corn is growing, and she's swimming in the pool. Or in the pond. Because in the summer you need to stay cool. Oh, look at this. There's her sunflower. I had to turn the page. Summer is when we pick the first ears of corn from the field. We sell corn, squash, and bouquets of summer flowers at our roadside stand. But I won't sell my big yellow and brown sunflower, which has grown so much it's taller than I am. And here they are at their roadside stand, selling the other things. Oh, look at the farm now. Has it changed? Do you see the changes? September 21st is the first day of fall. Our pumpkins turn from green to orange, and I ride to school on the big yellow bus. My sunflower droops. Its huge blossom, heavy with seeds. So there's her droopy little sunflower. because it's so heavy with its seeds. Leaves on the trees turn red and gold. Now I sleep under a blanket and wear a warm jacket to school. The bees and butterflies are gone. Many birds fly away too. We pick the big orange pumpkins that grow in the field. People drive out from the city to buy them at our roadside stand. Cold wind makes bright colored leaves dance through the air. Corn stalks standing in the field turn dry and brown. Pumpkin and squash vines shrivel up. It's time for the field to rest. Pears hanging from the pear tree are big and golden. I bite into one that's ripe, sweet, and juicy. Now the sky is gray and cold. All the trees but the evergreens have bare branches. Squirrels rush frantically here and there, hiding acorns and nuts to eat. When winter comes, most of the birds have flown away. All right. Do you see the changes that are happening in the field now? Lots of different things going on, huh? Lots of changes. On December 21st, the first day of winter comes. That very night, snow starts to fall. We sit by the fire Papa built. We watch flames leap and glow and listen to logs crackle. Outside, the snowflakes fall thicker and faster. They're still twirling white in the black night when it's time for me to go to bed. In the morning, the radio announcer says, "No school today. The roads are slippery, too covered with snow for the big yellow bus to travel safely." A bright red cardinal hops onto a snowbank. Its mate comes to join it. I think they're waiting for me, for I know just what they want. Those birds love sunflower seeds. Oh, where do you think she's going to get them from? There's her dried out sunflower. And what is she doing? The big dried up sunflower I planted and grew and saved is lying in a basket in the mudroom. I put on my snowsuit, scarf and mittens and boots and go outside in our cold white yard. Deep snow comes to my knees as I toss sunflower seeds to the hungry cardinals. Chickadees come to eat them too. She knew just what those birds wanted. Under the blanket of snow, everything that grows in the earth is having a long winter rest. But I'm not. I'm building a bright white snowman. As I build, birds peck. Soon all the sunflower seeds are gone. When spring comes again, I'd better plant 2 sunflower seeds by our back door. I hope you enjoyed that story. 4 seasons make a year. We went through all the seasons. What's your favorite season?